Hi guys, this is gonna be awesome. I will combine these together by just magic. See this? Just kidding, I'm not doing that. And look. Come on. Huh? It's not working. But now, for the finale! Cool. I'll show you how to do it. So basically, see this? This is a hole in the ring. And there's no... Oh, sorry guys. And this is... Oh, no. See this? Wow, it's different. See? Oh, sorry. Show it a hole. So, guys. So basically, in slow motion, I would be doing this. Whoa, huh, guys? But if you want to take it off, you can go like this. Yeah, oh. So you're like this. Whoa. So that's what you can do. It's really hard to do on a show, but it's an easy trick.